How to log Google Chrome profile with password. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to log Google Chrome profile with password. So then to log Google Chrome profile with password, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go ahead and open up your Chrome and select the particular account for which you wish to go ahead and set up a log. Make sure that your Chrome is up to date and here go ahead and press the three dot icon, and when you're on this page go to extension, then press on manage extension. After you do that, head over to your left hand sidebar and go to Chrome Web Store. When you're on this page, you'll have an access to download or install a lot of applications or extension on your device. So over here, go ahead and press on set password for your browser. So this is how it's gonna look like. And here, go ahead and press on add to Chrome. When you do that, it's gonna take you to the page where you can go ahead and press on add extension. Now you need to go ahead and set up the following extension that you recently opened. Now to set a password, type in the password that you wish to set it as and click the OK button. And if you're sure about it, then click the OK button. As you've been logged out of the following account, now you can go ahead and open up the Google account one more time. And over here, it's going to ask you to type in the password that you've been created recently. So in this way, you can go ahead and log Google Chrome profile with password. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.